Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Subaru Legacy Premium all-wheel drive, stock number E1963P. 81,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Carbide Gray Metallic in color. Legacy is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Lots of advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, along with rear backup camera. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull the handle on either side allows the split seat back to fold out to accommodate longer cargo items. This Premium has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Edges. That's also where you set the adaptive cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control paddle shifters for the automatic transmission, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, AHA and Pandora music apps, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. That automatic transmission. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owners. Under the hood, this Legacy has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Legacy, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.